In this video, I am testing a cheap electric jackhammer sold by Leroy Merlin under the Daishi brand, but it is also sold by other companies under many brands like Steinhaus or EvoTools. It comes with two bits, a chisel and a point tool, and some other small accessories which I've never used. It was around €140 and it has served me well for more than 3 years now. Please don't make fun of my safety flip-flops in the comments. I know it's wrong and you should wear proper safety gear when using a jackhammer. In today's test, I'm going to use the point tool, which is the one I almost always use for concrete. This whole job took around 15 minutes. It was 25 years old concrete, about 20 centimetres wide and 40 centimetres deep. Here's a look at the model number, but like I've said, it is sold by many brands under different names. Overall, I am very happy with this demolition hammer, and for the price I've paid for it, I could barely rent one for a few days.